All right. So I'm going to share Jim's screen. We are in websites here to navigate to where we're at on the left-hand side, your navigation panel, and we're going into sites. Then up top, you have all these different places you can go. We're going to go into websites. And then for just seeing where we're at, the calendar I have placed on this web page.
I missed which one you clicked on.
Calendar.
Oh, calendar. Oh, that's obvious. Okay.
Yep. And you can also see here in the top middle, Jim, there you click this little link,
Oh,
and all
yeah,
the
yeah.
pages go up here on the left, and you can click which one you want to go in between pages.
Oh, very nice. Okay.
Little tip there. And so I have embedded the calendar on this page. So it's got his header and some other words and then his footer. You can add more, you can take stuff off. This is just a generic web page. Veritech.com/calendar is your URL here.
Okay.
And then to edit the form, so if you're trying to send people here directly, that's your URL, veritech.com/calendar.
Super. Okay.
And I'll also show you how to do QR codes. Forms are here also in sites, but a builder and calendar questions. And you can add or subtract questions here that would automatically show up in your calendar
Oh,
because it's already linked.
great. So this is where you can add the questions if they want an appointment.
Right. So this is what's already currently being asked when they get an appointment. The way the forms work is it's got some of the basic fields that you ask for, and then everything else is considered custom. So you can either go over here to custom, or you come down here to the type of question and you click and drag it in.
Nice.
Make sense?
Okay. And radio buttons so you can select from one or two.
Yeah.
Nice.
And so when you drag over the question, you come over here and actually type your question in, and then the options, you put in your options over here if you want them to drop downs, and you can have as many as you want there.
Beautiful.
And then required or not, field widths, like this one has a 2-column if you want it to be just a half page, or you could go to a full page and make that 100%.
So the required is they have to put it in, answer the question, or it won't submit.
Right. And then on the button itself, you can change the color, change the padding, all the text, all your settings for that. And then here on the top right, there's this little styles and options icon. And here's where you get your settings for the entire form, such as under options and on submit, what do you want to happen when they click the submit button? Because you can have it go to a page, go to a confirmation, or just a message that pops up in place of the calendar.
So this is where we have the trigger to launch the automation.
No.
No. Okay.
No.